Hi friend, today we discuss some GK about India. These are most important GK. Please watch full video. First questions: largest state in India, Rajasthan. Answer Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state. Second, smallest state in India, Goa. Next, most populated state, Uttar Pradesh. Least populated state, Sikkim. Sikkim is the least populated state. Next, most populated city, Mumbai. Mumbai is the most populated city. Next, largest desert, third desert. Next, largest delta, Sundarban. Next, largest freshwater lakes, Koluru Lake. Next, largest salt water lake, Chilka Lake, Odisha. Next, largest mountain peak, Kanchenjunga, Sikkim. Next question, highest waterfall, Chuk waterfall. Next question, longest river, Ganga. What is place Mosintam, Meghalaya. Next, largest fort, Chitragarh Fort, Rajasthan. Next, largest residence, Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi.